Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to join live stream on Telegram. So if you want to join a Telegram live stream, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to join live stream on Telegram or join Telegram live stream, first, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. This could be on Android and could be on iPhone. Once open the Telegram app, ensure that you join Telegram group. So that is the first thing. So you need to join either the group or the Telegram community. Now, once you join Telegram community, you also want to make sure that the live stream is ongoing. Now, once the live stream is ongoing, then you should see live stream started. For you to join the live stream, click on the group. And now once you click on the group, this is what you're going to see. You should see live stream, the total participants. Then you should see live stream started. And then there is a join button at the top right. Then go ahead and click on live stream. Once you click on live stream, you should see what that says continue as your name. If you have other community or group or channel on your Telegram, you should see them pop. Then go ahead and select the display you want to use. So in this case, I'm going to continue as Adesami. So go ahead and click on whatever name that pops. Once you click on that, then you should see live stream, and then you should see you automatically muted by the admin, and then you're good to go. You now join the live stream. So you can see these are people listening, and this is this person that's currently speaking. Once you join the live stream, you can select speaker to turn on speaker or tap the leave button to leave the live stream. So that's exactly how you can easily join live stream on Telegram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.